Construction Services. We do home remodeling and renovations. I am here in my kitchen and I am going to show you a few healthy summer recipes that you can enjoy at home. I'm really just gonna go through my pantry and put some stuff together. So you may have this in your pantry too. If not, go out, get the stuff, and give these recipes a try. Let's see what we can come up with. Here we go. But for real, I just got home from work. I don't feel like going to the grocery store. I'm tired, so I'm gonna throw some stuff together. I'm really just going through my pantry. Let's make a protein-packed parfait using a protein bar, some low-sugar Greek yogurt, and a strawberry. To conserve calories, cut the protein bar in half. Then, dice it up into small pieces and use it as a topping for the yogurt. Now we'll cut up the fresh strawberries. Delicious. Add the power bar and the fresh strawberries to the top of the Greek yogurt. I like to put my bowl in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and I have my own healthy frozen yogurt. This recipe is less than 200 calories and almost 20 grams of protein. One of my favorite quick snacks, a tasty toast. Spread the Greek yogurt over the toast. Then add your fresh strawberry. Next, we'll add peanut butter. You only need about 1 tablespoon, and here I use a low sugar peanut butter. Melt the peanut butter in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds and drizzle the peanut butter on top of the toast. This recipe is also less than 200 calories. It's low sugar, but when you get a sweet tooth, it does the trick. Am I making you hungry yet? Let's make a mocktail. These 3 simple ingredients are always in my refrigerator: probiotics, almond milk, and sugar-free ginger beer. We'll start with crushed ice. Next, we'll add 1/4 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. We are making a creamy mojito mocktail with a kick. I'm using 1 serving size of the sparkling probiotic drink, so about half the bottle. We will top it off with the sugar-free ginger beer. Add what you prefer to taste. If you like ginger or carbonation, add a little bit more. Garnish with the strawberry. This drink has less than 10 grams of sugar, and you don't have to feel guilty drinking it at the office. Cheers! I'm Kinsey from All In Construction Services. Thanks for watching my video.